The Stop Start Not Ready Battery Protection Mode warning in your Chrysler Pacifica indicates the vehicle's start-stop system has detected a problem that prevents safe operation. This warning appears among other dashboard indicators when the intelligent battery sensor detects that your battery doesn't have sufficient capacity to safely restart the engine after an automatic stop. The start-stop system automatically shuts off your engine when you come to a complete stop, like at traffic lights, to save fuel and reduce emissions. The system relies on three key components: the main 12-volt battery that powers essential systems during engine-off periods, and the intelligent battery sensor that continuously monitors battery health. The intelligent battery sensor connects directly to the battery and monitors voltage, current flow, and temperature to determine if the battery can safely restart the engine. The warning can be triggered by several common issues: battery degradation from normal aging, charging system problems with the alternator, parasitic drain from electrical components, or extreme temperatures affecting battery performance. Professional diagnostic testing using multimeters can measure parasitic current drain and battery voltage to identify the exact cause of the battery protection mode activation. When the intelligent battery sensor detects that battery voltage has dropped below the safe operating threshold, typically around 12 volts, it activates protection mode to prevent the battery from being completely drained. The first step in troubleshooting the Stop Start Not Ready warning is performing a comprehensive diagnostic scan to read battery management system codes. Next, perform a battery load test to check the actual capacity and health of your battery. This test determines if the battery can handle the demands of the start-stop system. The Intelligent Battery Sensor, or IBS, monitors battery voltage, current, and temperature. Verify its functionality and check all connections as shown in this diagram. Perform a parasitic draw test to identify excessive power drain when the vehicle is off. Readings above 50 milliamps indicate a problem that needs attention. Based on diagnostic results, there are several solutions available. The most common is battery replacement using an AGM battery specifically designed for start-stop systems. Software updates can resolve the issue in about 23% of cases. IBS sensor replacement has an 85% success rate when the sensor itself is faulty. Critical step: always perform proper battery registration and programming after replacement. This ensures the vehicle's systems recognize the new battery specifications and optimize charging accordingly. For cold climates, consider a cold weather-rated AGM battery. Remember that proper diagnosis is key. About 30% of repeat issues stem from improper battery programming during service.